So this is the video of me showing you where the fidgets are if you didn't find them. The first one is actually right here on the Nintendo Switch. The next one, it's right here on the dog bed. That's right. Next one. Found one by a dog. I bet you guys didn't find this one. Right here. What did you do with it? Another one. I still have 2 more to go. Where are they? That's right, one's right here. Oh, the other one's right here. Did you guys find all of the fidgets? Comment down below. I bet you didn't find all of them. Also comment down below if I should make more videos like this.